Well, hello, I have a friend and we both think that my videos are useless. So once we've created a local joke that I should create a SOT tutorial someday.
Да, меч делать сложно очень. Там туториал часов на 20 выйдет в 2 частях, вторая платная.
Знаешь, вот есть вечные вопросы в духе, а что такое жизнь, а что такое смерть, одни ли мы во вселенной и прочие штуки. А вот твои речи и наш диалог в целом, он ставит передо мной нечто высокое, он ставит передо мной главный вопрос. А как же все-таки сделать меч?
Because, it's actually simple, several lines of code, and it would be really stupid if someone asks me to make a video about it.
Oh shit, here we go again.
First of all, I create a part that will be a sword. Then I create a server script where I use touched event of this part. This will launch the code inside every time the part collides with any other object that has collided to. You can get the object your sword's colliding with the first argument of the connected function. I call it hit. All I need is to check if head parent has humanoid and make it to take damage if it has. Let's make 20 for now. By the way, you can make spikes this way, but as you can see it's damaging more than once, so I add the bones. So the part would damage players only if it's true. It works. Now let's weld this part to the player. You can make a tool and make your sword a hand apart, or weld the whole model to the player's hand if you don't want to use tool. For detecting mouse button pressing you can use activated event of a tool, or get the mouse and use button one down event, or use user input service and check if user input type is mouse button 1. But I'm lazy, so let's use tool and activated event. I create a local script and a remote event inside of the tool. Okay, I create activated event again. I don't want to make it possible to spam attack rapidly, so a table value can attack that will be the bones letter. Checking if it's true means player tries to hit someone. Send the information about it through the remote event and making damage value true in the server script. Now, let's add an animation. I use random animation I've created for my RPG game. Just copy and paste ID. I create a value for cooldown and add weight with it, but multiplied by 0.2. It's for backswing. After the remote event I add another weight with the rest of the cooldown. The next step is adding animation. If you don't know, you need to use humanoid slot animation function with the UR animation as an argument. And the last thing is to make an attack value true, so you can hit more than once. And it works just fine, but if you hit the air and then touch someone with your sword, it will do damage. So the last thing is to send the information about when attack ends through the remote event and change can damage value to this state. You can change the model if you don't like causeless to hit enemies with a massive brick. And that's it.
Как же все-таки сделать меч?